Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of LiveGood. So let me take you to the website, which is livegood.com. For the ones who don't know what is LiveGood, LiveGood is dedicated to assisting individuals by offering the finest nutritional supplements available in the market. The products are made using exclusively the purest and top-tier ingredients that deliver impactful results. What sets them apart is their commitment to providing high quality without the hefty price tags often associated with other companies. So, if you are into nutritional products and if you want to take care of your health care, you can come to the website and buy something for yourself if you like, or you could even become a member of them. So, to buy something, you can click on products, which will take you to the product page. Over here, you would be able to see the products that you can click on order now, you can become a member and buy at the member price, or you can buy at the retail price as well, totally up to you. But that's not why we are here. We are here to earn money from LiveGood. How can we do that? Can we really do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of LiveGood, start promoting them to our audience, basically bring members to LiveGood or bring sales to them, and in return, you will get commission. Now, the question is it really worth it? Well, let's look at the number and see how famous they are. So they're currently ranking at number 18,332. So, and then they got the monthly visit of over 2.6 million as well. So people really know them, they like them as well, and they trust them as well. So definitely it's worth promoting them and start earning commission. But there are three things that you should be aware of before you proceed further with the video. First, affiliate from which country can join the affiliate program of LiveGood. It seems like doesn't matter from wherever you are. If you can access the website LiveGood and promote them, you should be able to join the affiliate program. Where can you promote them? They're available worldwide. They ship the products worldwide. So you could promote them to consumers from any country. Doesn't matter. Now, the second thing about them is they got the one of the best compensation plan, or rather the commission rate available, and you definitely can see the potential to earn as much as you want by start promoting LiveGood with the proper planning and business that you might have, or the presence that you might have. And the third very important thing is, unlike other affiliate program, to join the affiliate program of LiveGood, you have to pay upfront $40. So that's something that you might not find in the affiliate program of other brands. So if you're not into paying for the affiliate program, that I'm sorry, this video isn't for you, and you might want to explore the other videos that I have created on the affiliate program of other brand. Now you may ask why LiveGood is charging for the affiliate program. In my opinion, I think it's because of the business, because what they focus on getting members, then getting affiliates as well. And the more people you bring them, the more possibility for you is to earn commission as well. So because of that business model, I think that's why they are charging affiliates the upfront $40. Now, should you pay that? In my opinion, if you're someone like if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing, then I don't think that you should join the affiliate program and you should pay, because if you are an experienced affiliate marketer, then you would know what exactly you're doing and what can you do to bring traffic to them, to bring sales or members to LiveGood. And since if you'll be an experienced affiliate marketer, that means you must be making affiliate marketing money out there as well as your commission. So it would be fine for you to take $40 out of it and invest in the affiliate program of LiveGood. But if you're a beginner is on a starter level, then it seems like LiveGood affiliate program might not be for you. So if you're fine with paying the $40, then you can continue watching the video. Now let's talk about the affiliate program. For that, you can come to the website again, which is livegood.com, explore till the footer section, and click on affiliate compensation plan, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can see, in fact, you can earn up to $2,047 per month without ever enrolling a single person. So, well, that's something highlighting here. You don't even have to bring anyone. And as I said, the right efforts that if you're going to put in, you can earn a great commission amount at the end of every week. Then comes, there are six income ways that you can earn money from LiveGood. One is weekly fast start commission. So here's the thing. There's six ways you can earn from LiveGood, but their commission rate or the compensation plan is great as well, but it's very complex to understand. So I'm going to put it in a very simpler way, in a layman term, so that it would be easier for everyone to understand. And I will also give you more information, like if you want to have a detailed understanding of their compensation plan, there's something else as well that you can have a look at. But to put it simply, the more people you bring to them and the more people they will bring to them, you will earn commission. And as we can see here, the first way is weekly fast start commission. That means for each person you refer to LiveGood who becomes a member and an affiliate, by paying $49. So $40 is the affiliate program charge, and $9.95 is the 1 month membership. So you will be awarded $25 commission paid in the very next week. So 50% of that amount. So that's great. Then if that person brings some more people, you will also get commission based on different tier that you see in here. So, and that will be till the 10th person. So as I said, you bring one person, that person brought 10 other people, those 10 people brought some other people, you will continue earning money on that. Then if you scroll down, you'll see metrics commission as well. So think of it this way, it's a ranking system. Based on your performance, you will earn some more commission. And then the third one, which is a matching bonus. So they even give bonuses on again on your performance. So that's another way you can earn money from them. And then the fourth one is a retail commission. Now this one is very easy to understand. Let me take you to the product page once again. So let's say you are promoting this product of LiveGood, and if you bring someone who becomes a member of LiveGood, you'll get the $25 in the coming week, and then the ranking bonuses and all that. But if the person decide that they don't want to become a member, but rather they want to purchase it on a retail amount, then you will get the you'll get the commission rate on it. So whatever the difference between retail price and the membership price, you will get the 50% of that as a commission. Now that's great. As you can see here, 50%. So if the people you bring decides to become a member, you'll get membership commission. But if they buy on the retail price, you get 50% of the amount different between retail price and the member price. And then there are tier system as well that you could earn commission with. And then comes the influencer bonuses. So let's say if you are someone who are also bringing more sales to them, let's say if you ended up bringing $50,000 in sale amount every month or in a month, then you could even get 100% as the commission rate. Now this 100% will be on the amount. It should be the difference between retail price and the member price. So whatever the member price would be, which would definitely be or highly likely be half than the retail price. So whatever the difference is, and since you would have brought 50,000 sales to them, then you could end up earning 100% as a commission rate on that amount. So that's really a great amount. Then if you scroll down, you can also see diamond and crown diamond bonus pool. So every month they look at the top performing affiliates, and from their revenue they also share bonus, which is also a great bonus amount that affiliates could earn. So all this is great, and as I say, this is very complex, so I tried explaining it in a very simple form. But if you want to have more details, there's a video on this page as well. I'm going to mention this page in the video description. You can watch this video as well and try to understand. But here is a disclaimer for you. The understanding of the compensation plan, it's very tough, to understand. So you might want to have a pen and paper ready when you watch this video. And if you don't want to get into the detail of it, just remember, the more people you bring to LiveGood, the more enrollment, the more sales would happen. You will continue earning money out of LiveGood for your efforts. So less efforts, more money. Now, let's say you read it all, but you still have more question. You can click on FAQ from the footer section, which will take you to this page. Over here, you will find frequently asked questions and the answer fed. You can read it all for better understanding. But in here, lead and website, what lead source can you use, or can you purchase leads or traffic to your site? So if you click here, you can see LiveGood does not allow you to purchase traffic to be sent to LiveGood website. That means you cannot buy traffic. But what can you do? You can buy leads and you can contact them and you can invite them to become part of LiveGood or as a member or to make purchase. That is what is possible. So you can do that, totally up to you. Now, the other questions would be, when do you get paid? Fast chart commissions are paid each Thursday for the previous week's volume. That means anyone who signed up before last week's cutoff will be paid this Thursday. Anyone who joined this week will be paid next Thursday. So basically, you can expect to get commission from LiveGood every week, so long as you bring enrollment to them. Then, of course, with that enrollment commission, you can also expect to get the commission on the other stuff that we discussed before in the compensation plan page. Then, what are the payment methods? So, how am I paid? There are three payment methods. One is direct deposit if you are from USA. The other option is global e-wallet, and the third option is cryptocurrency. So when you will have an affiliate platform with LiveGood, you get to see all these options. You can explore and set up the payment methods accordingly. So let's say you read it and you want to apply to the affiliate program of LiveGood. For that, you can come to the website again, or directly come to the pay plan page. And from here, you can click on become an affiliate. When you do that, you will see this. As you see, $40. And as I said, you have to pay $40 upfront. So over here, you can click on checkout, which will take you to this page. Here you can enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, followed by username, password, and confirm password, and then your country of residence, your name again, your address, city, state, zip code, and continue. When you would do that, it will take you to the checkout page where you can enter your credit card details and make the purchase of the affiliate program that you're getting with LiveGood. And after getting the confirmation, you should be able to access the platform. You should be able to get the link and you can start promoting them as well. To promote them, you have to use your tracking links, which you should be able to find them within the platform as well. And once you found the tracking link, the question is, where can you promote them? There are many ways you could promote them, but still I have some basic ideas for you. One is, doesn't matter whatever kind of website or blog you got, you can probably just put the advertisement anywhere on your website. Blog could be better because then you can write amazing blog posts about different products of LiveGood or probably their membership. So this way, when people would read your blog, just put your tracking link at the down of or at the end of the blog post or somewhere in the middle of the blog post. So basically, when people would read it, they would click on the link, they will become part of LiveGood or they make the purchase and you get commission. Then comes social media. So they seem fine with the social media as well, but you have to ensure you follow some rules. And for that, again, on the website, you would see here terms and condition. So you can come to the terms and condition and search for social. And here you would say, so they're fine with you promoting them on social media website, but you have to ensure you follow the restrictions that they have. And so long as you follow it, then I think you should be fine. And I think social media would be better because you totally up to you. You could initiate a group discussion on social media platform. You could try to answer the questions of others. You could create reels, videos, posts. There are hundreds of things you can do on different social media platforms to bring more people to LiveGood. And come on, they got the great products out there, isn't it? So people anyways use them. So you could use any of these social media platforms to bring sales or members to them. Then comes health and care website. Now, I think this would be better because people would come to health and care website to get the idea or the information about different health and care products. So if you have a health tech in the website, you could promote LiveGood on there. You could even generate leads through the health and care website. You could just create a form over there and mention that if you are interested in getting information on nutritional products, fill in the details, take the name, the email address, and then probably send them the newsletter from time to time. So this way, when people would click on your tracking links from the newsletter and would become part of LiveGood or makes a purchase, you'll be entitled to get commission. Isn't that amazing? Now, let's say you started promoting them. Where would you see your performance? So again, that will be within the platform that you'll get access to. Now, all those details, you will receive it in your email address as well. So you can log into your affiliate platform on LiveGood, see the performance, and you can expect the payout of that commission, whatever you will earn, depending on the payment methods that you have selected and that we have discussed here. So direct deposit, global e-wallet, and cryptocurrency. So this is how you become the part of LiveGood affiliate program. You start promoting them and you start earning commission from them. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in becoming part of the affiliate program of LiveGood and start promoting them. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.